guess what? Let's just figure this out right now. We're gonna find out. You're sure he's the father? If you are the father, you're gonna get in that child's life?
I'm gonna take care of it if it's mine.
Okay.
Only if it's mine.
Like I said, I'm not 100, I'm not 200, I'm 5,000%.
Let's hear it. Let's hear it.
When it comes to 4-month-old Danye, Andrew, you...
This is not a drill alert. Please, don't turn off your TV. Please. Don't turn off your TV. This is not a drill. In the latest 72 hours, the United States have been under the attack of an unknown phenomenon generated by the brand new Grimace shake. The victims have been reported missing or found covered in the same shake they were drinking. Some of them passed out. Some of them became aggressive and attacked people till they been shot by a citizen or a police officer. The states of California, Kansas, Arkansas, Louisiana, Florida, Minnesota, Michigan, New Jersey, Alabama, South Dakota, North Dakota, Idaho, Kentucky, Washington, New York, Nebraska and Texas lost every McDonald's in the area. Please stay away from every local the next hours to avoid any incident. Keep yourself and your family safe. The victims' number are increasing with every second it passes. Some wouldn't saw a person inside a Grimace suit before the victims perish or disappear after drinking the shake. Please do not buy this if you want something cold. Try buying ice cream from the machines, but do not buy this shake. The CDC is trying to figure out what is causing the people to perish after only 2 to 3 sips. And the CIA, the FBI, NSA, and the DHS is working together. As we said, a suspect has been seen after at least 12% of the incidents. We suspect about a chemical agent which can variate between a violent reaction or an instant death. Please close your doors and windows. Do not go out. Even when you do not drink the shake, it's still being dangerous. We don't have a track of the suspect, and we theorize that it can be caused by a terrorist organization. This since one person can't be in 18 states at the same time. Please, keep your devices charged, don't turn off your TV, and stay tuned for further instructions. As we ever did, we shall stand and fight against this new menace. God bless the United States of America.